Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Daddy Shark.
Yeah, this is for all the kids and beginners, so if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Come join us, guys.
Alright everyone, so let's get started with Daddy Shark. We're going to draw an oval. We're just not going to complete it at the bottom. So I'm just going to go around and draw an oval.
Wow!
Then we're going to draw his fins, his little arms. So what we're going to do is we're going to come out as if we were making a triangle and do the same thing on this side. It's like a nice little hill. We'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll come out, draw it to a point, and then come back down. There we have his arms. Then we're gonna draw the rest of his body. So what we're gonna do is from one of his arms, or the left side of his arm, we're gonna come down and draw almost like a hook.
Beautiful.
Like the letter J. Then we're gonna draw his little tail. So we're gonna continue, we're gonna come up to a point, and we're gonna draw something that looks similar to a leaf or a raindrop, however you wanna describe it. And then we'll come in a little bit right here. And we'll copy this same design on the bottom. So we'll come out, draw to like a point, and come back up. We have his little tail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come from this point to his arm. So we'll wrap around. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna make a nice little loop. And I'm gonna stop maybe around here. And I could bring this arm out a little bit more. And then that's his body.
That's nice.
And then from his head, we're gonna draw a line that's gonna come to a point right here. This will draw the layers later on for all the colors that we're gonna add. So we're gonna draw a nice little point, and then we'll continue this one to the other side of the head. So I'm gonna extend this a little bit, just so I know where to go. And then we'll come out, up, and there we have his body. We're gonna continue with his face now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line that divides where his eyes are gonna go and his mouth. So we're gonna draw sort of a squiggly line, but not too much. So we're gonna draw a nice little hump here. Nothing too crazy or exaggerated. We're gonna continue. We're gonna go across his whole face. And then we'll finish like that.
Wow!
We're gonna attach his mouth. So his mouth is gonna be like the letter U going across, nice and big, because we want to show his nice sharp teeth. So we're gonna go across, and then we'll end about maybe there. Then we could draw two big eyes. So we're gonna draw two big circles. We're gonna draw one over here, and then we're gonna draw one right. Leave some space for his nose. We're gonna draw one right over here. Two nice big eyes.
So cute.
Then we could draw his nose. So his nose is gonna stay black, so we're gonna draw like two little nostrils right here. Then we could add the details to his eyes. So we're gonna draw a nice little loop on both eyes. And we're gonna draw a line above that one as well. And then just one more, because we're gonna color this in later. So we'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll draw one line, almost as if we were drawing a rainbow. There we have his eyes. And now we're gonna draw his nice, sharp, pointy teeth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one in the middle first, and then we're gonna draw two more on the side. So let's make this one big and pointy. Aww. And then we'll draw two more going over on the side. So that one there, and then we'll have one more right here. And same thing on this side. So we'll continue. We'll do one here, and then do one more right here, and then we'll draw smaller ones on the bottom for his bottom teeth. So I'll draw one here again, and then I'll draw two more on this side, one here, and then one here.
Perfect.
And then we'll do the same thing here. Draw one here, and then draw one here.
Great! Great!
And then we're almost done with Daddy Shark. We're missing one of the most important things. His top fin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the triangle just like we did his arms, and we'll draw this on top. So we'll go up and back down. And there we have Daddy Shark. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna color him in. I'm gonna color him blue just like Daddy Shark is, but you guys could choose whatever color you want. So let's get started. All right, everyone, so here we have it. Here we have Daddy Shark. Daddy Shark, hopefully you guys found it easy. And I would also be drawing Mommy Shark and Baby Shark and Grandpa Shark. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.